I decided to make stuffed jalapeno poppers. My husband been asking for these for a while, and I cannot wait to share this recipe with you. They are super crispy from the outside and super gooey and cheesy in the inside. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. For this recipe, you'll need jalapenos, bacon, cream cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, milk, I'm using oat milk, flour and seasoning. The seasoning, I'll link them down below, and breadcrumbs and avocado oil. Now let's bake our bacon at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes or until crispy texture. Next, let's put some gloves on because jalapenos are super spicy. While baking this baking, we're gonna clean our jalapenos by cutting them in half and removing all the seeds from the inside using a spoon. After, rinse them in the cold water. Cut sharp cheddar cheese into little tiny pieces. After that, we're gonna fill one bowl with breadcrumbs. Using a second bowl, we're gonna add milk, and into our third bowl, we're gonna add flour and our seasonings. Once again, find all the exact measurements for this recipe in the description down below. Into a different bowl, we're gonna add our sharp cheddar cheese and crispy bacon and cream cheese, and we're gonna mix it very well with a spoon. After we mix our filling, we're gonna stuff our jalapenos just like you see it here. And after you're done with that, next we're gonna dip each jalapeno popper into flour, then milk, then flour again to create this beautiful coating. After that, we're gonna let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. After it's done resting, we're gonna preheat our oil. While oil is preheating, we're gonna dip our jalapeno poppers inside the milk mixture and then breadcrumbs, just like you see it here. Once the oil is hot, you add your jalapenos and you cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes. After it's done cooking, remove it onto a cooling rack or a plate lined with paper towel. Let it cool off just for a few seconds and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Munchkin Time Blog. Also, don't forget to check out my latest recipes. There are chicken potato casserole and a delicious chicken marinade. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.